Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen on the cloud. So let's get started. To draw Pusheen dreaming on the cloud, we're going to first start by drawing the top of her head. So right here, I'm just going to draw a very soft curve, and this is going to be right on top in the center. And then we're going to go up and draw her ears. So I'm just going to go up to a point and then round it off and come back down. So same thing on this side. Just going to go up. I'm just going to give myself a point about right there so I know how high to go up, and then round it off and come down. From there, I'm going to bring down this curve for the side of her body. So I'm just going to bring down a curve. And I'm going to stop about right there, and I'm going to draw her back. So I'm going to come up from this point. I'm going to draw a curve that comes slightly up. So this is going to be her back. So say about right there, and just bring it down. And I'm going to start to round it off for the bottom. And I'm just going to kind of stop at the same area on the other side. Same height. So from there, now I can just go ahead and draw her eyes and her markings first before I finish the rest of her body. So I'm going to come up here first and draw the 3 stripes on her head. So it's just 3 U's. And then from there, let's come and draw her face. So I'm going to come in the center, so about right here, and I'm just going to draw her nose and mouth. So it's like a J and a backwards J connected. And then come in the center right here and draw kind of like a U for her mouth and tongue. And so then from there, we're going to come to the side and we're going to draw a curve for her eyes because she is dreaming. So we're going to come about right here. I'm just going to draw a big curve on both sides, about right here, like that. And then let's add some lashes. So there's going to be 3 of them. And about right here. So there. Aw, isn't that cute? Then let's draw her whiskers. So I'm going to come to the side right here and just draw 2 whiskers come out. And let's do the same thing. So about right here, let's drag this point over about right here. And we're just going to draw 2 whiskers again. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the 2 stripes on her back. So I'm just going to come here and just draw U, 2 of them. And now we can finish off the rest of her body. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. So the reason why we're leaving that and drawing the eyes first is that way you can kind of gauge it better as how long to bring this curve down for the rest of her body. So let's bring this down a little bit more and a little bit more. See about right there. And I'm going to bring this curve in also on the other side. And from there, I'm going to come in and draw this tail. So I'm going to curve this, give myself a nice round tail, and come right back up. So about right there. I'm going to come in here and just draw the 3 stripes that are on her tail. Okay, so now to draw the fluffy cloud. So what I like to do is I'm going to start to draw these curves. Some are going to be bigger, some are smaller. I'm just going to create a line of curves that go right across. So I'm going to start about right here. I'm just going to 1 mound and then maybe a bigger one. So you can do it any way you like. The original Pusheen drawing, the cloud has very small curves. So you can check out the original Pusheen drawing, see which cloud you like better. But I like them nice and big and fluffy, so I'm drawing them bigger. So there. Okay, so then from there I'm going to come to the side right here and I'm going to start to draw some more of these curves. And let's go to the other side. Give yourself a point. And so now we're just going to be creating this cloud that's just kind of this in this curved shape, in this oval shape. So I'm going to bring it out. And maybe 1 more for the widest part. So same thing here. And then now I can bring it in. So I'm just going to come in. And just basically connect all these curves. So sometimes it's going to be smaller, sometimes bigger. There's no right or wrong way, so just have fun with this part. There. Okay, so then you can come in here if you want for very lightly. Oops, too light. And just draw some curves inside so it looks like it's nice and poofy. And then now for the final touch, let's come up here and we're going to draw the moon. So about right here on top of the back, I'm going to start with a curve for a crescent moon, and then I'm just going to connect it. And tapering and go back. And then I'm going to draw 3 stars. So I'm going to start with the biggest one right here, which is straight and curved, so the corners are nice and soft. And then smaller one right here at an angle. So if you need help drawing stars, just check out, just Google "draw so cute how to draw a star." And you should find a video on how to show you how to draw a star. The easy way, of course. And last one. So this one's at a slight angle. And that is pretty much it for this Pusheen Dreaming on a Cloud. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.